All right, so we know that an engine needs oil, of course, but so do transmissions, drivetrains, transfer cases, and differentials. However, your average motor oil is not going to cut it for these components. Instead, they require gear oil. Hi, I'm Kevin, an oil expert here at Gregg Distributors. In previous Propel Oil 101 segments, we've covered the basics of oil, a little bit of chemistry, the environment, passenger car oil, and HD diesel oils. If this isn't ringing any bells, you should go back and catch up on our Propel Oil 101 series right from the beginning. Today, we are going to focus more specifically on gear oils and how they differentiate from regular motor oil. Welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Gregg's Propel Oil 101. So, what is gear oil? Well, it's a lubricant specifically made for transmissions, transfer cases, and differentials in machinery, cars, and trucks. Nowadays, there are a wide variety of gear lubricants. So how do you pick which is best for your application? Well, that will be determined by the conditions it has to operate under and its GL rating. The GL rating refers to the gear lube's ability to withstand pressure without any metal-to-metal contact occurring between the parts. So the higher the pressure, the higher the GL rating will be. There are four main classifications from the American Petroleum Institute: GL1, GL4, GL5, and MT1. GL1 rated oils are used in manual transmissions that operate under mild pressure conditions. GL1 indicates that untreated oil may be used without causing harm or additional wear to your gears. Rust and oxidation inhibitors, defoamers, and pore depressants may be used to improve the characteristic of the gear oil. However, friction modifiers and EP additives are not used in this rating. GL4 gear oils are rated for use in spiral bevel and hypoid gears in automotive axles operating under moderate speeds and loads. These oils have moderate levels of extreme pressure additives. Meanwhile, the GL5 rating is designated for gears, particularly hypoids, in automotive axles under high torque conditions at either low or high speeds. These oils have almost twice the amount of extreme pressure additives as the GL4 rated oils. Finally, MT1 oils are intended for non-synchronized manual transmissions, primarily used in buses and heavy-duty trucks. Lubricants rated as MT1 provide a particular level of protection against a combination of thermal degradation, component wear, and oil seal deterioration, all of which is not provided by lubricants in the GL4 and GL5 ratings. And remember, just like how your car requires a specific viscosity of motor oil, all of your other components require a specific GL rating. Now, let's see what Propel has to offer in their line of gear oils. First is Propel's GL5 gear oil. This conventional gear oil has been formulated for multi-purpose, extreme pressure applications such as gearboxes, manual transmissions, hypoid gears, and limited slip rear axles. It also features thermal stability, corrosion inhibitors, and anti-wear and anti-friction agents, just to name a few. This gear oil is available in 1 liter, 20 liter, or 208 liter volumes with a grade of 80W90. Propel also offers a full synthetic GL5 gear oil. Since this is a full synthetic oil, It features high-quality paraffinic lubricating oils and some of the most technologically advanced additives like oxidation and corrosion inhibitors, along with EP, anti-wear, and anti-friction agents. It also boasts superior protection against wear, especially in EP and high torque applications. This gear oil is available in 75W90 or 75W140 grades, and you will have 1 liter, 20 liter, or 208 liter volume options to choose from. If you're looking for some serious high quality gear oil, your search stops here. So, we mentioned GL rated gear oils, but there's another classification system we need to mention. That is ISO viscosity grade gear oil. The International Standardization Organization established a viscosity grading system for industrial gear oils. ISO followed by a number equal to the oil's viscosity measured in centistokes at 40 degrees Celsius. The thicker the oil, or the slower the flow rate, the higher the ISO VG number will be. Propel offers a range of ISO industrial gear oil, available in 20-liter pails or 208-liter drums, with grades ranging from ISO 68 EP to ISO 460 EP. They are formulated to help lower friction, reduce wear, build a barrier, and control costs for spur, helical, bevel, and worm gear configurations. These gear oils also continue to perform well at high temperatures, harsh conditions, and in the presence of water. Now, both gear oils and transmission oils share some similar characteristics, but when it comes to transmission fluids more specifically, Propel has a good selection you can choose from. From 1 liter bottles to our bulk truck delivery service, you have a variety of volume options available. First is the standard automatic transmission fluid. It is a reliable go-to for older transmissions, including those asking for DEX 2 automotive transmission fluid. Next, we've got the Propel synthetic, multi-vehicle, low viscosity, automatic transmission fluid. An important note for this transmission fluid is that it has been approved for use in applications calling for Dexron 6 and Ford Mercon LV. If you're looking for a single high-performance product to cover the demands of a mixed fleet, this is the transmission fluid for you. The list of OEM specs this product caters to is extensive. Make sure you pull out your Propel brochure and really appreciate the broad coverage this product provides. After that, we have Propel's full synthetic transmission fluid. This transmission fluid is both strong and durable, so you know the performance will be top-notch for your common heavy-duty applications. And finally, we have Propel's full synthetic, heavy-duty automatic transmission fluid. Formulated specifically for HD applications like heavy-duty trucks or bus transmissions. This transmission fluid can truly stand up against some of the most severe operating conditions and extended drain intervals, even applications that need to meet the Allison TES 295 specification. Now, we really covered a lot of Propel products, so if you have any questions, you can leave us a comment, give us a call, or visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Next time on Gear Up with Gregg's Propel Oil 101, we're going to cover hydraulic oils. And Propel Lubricants will be back once more to help us conclude this video series. So if you've been enjoying this series, why not subscribe to our channel? Also, you can find links to all of our social media platforms down in the description. Again, I'm Kevin, and I'll see you at our next and final Propel Oil 101 segment here on Gear Up with Gregg's.